tip for the ladies who are getting into real estate investing. And this is probably only for the ladies who are getting into real estate investing. And I want to make this super duper short, super duper quick, kind of like me. And I want to remind you, ladies, when you're on your way to a seller appointment, all right, when you've got an appointment to go look at a house, talk to a seller, when you're going to present offers, ladies, please, please, please remember that the time to put on your lipstick is when you leave your house or whenever you leave your office, okay? I want you to put your lipstick on and then drive over to the seller's house. Abby the Labby has a little something to say too. Love it when she makes noise that she hasn't made all day when I decide to get on a video. It's fantastic. Anyway, put your lipstick on when you leave the house or when you leave the office, because what I want to happen, see, I got my lipstick on already. What I want to happen is I want you to have that lipstick on your lips the whole time you're driving over to the seller's house, because I want you to have that 10 or 15 or 20 minutes for your lipstick to rub off on your teeth while you're alone in the car. Okay? Because if you do lipstick like I do lipstick, you need that alone time. That way when you get to the seller's house, you can check in the rearview mirror, make sure you don't have any lipstick on your teeth, and then you can go into the seller's house confident. What happens when you wait until you get to the seller's house, then you put on your lipstick, then you go in, you spend, even if it's subconsciously, even if you don't want to admit it to me, but you spend a good chunk of your energy wondering, oh crap, is my lipstick on my teeth? Are they looking at my teeth because I got lipstick on my teeth? Do I look like a hot mess? And then you start doubting yourself, and then you go into this downward spiral of self-consciousness that could be avoided if you would just put your lipstick on before you leave the house or before you leave your office or whatever, and give your situation enough time that you can fix it before you get there. That way, when you go into the seller's house, you are confident knowing you already got all the lipstick off your teeth. So I want you to be as confident as possible when you're talking to these sellers and you're making these offers and you're doing these deals, all of that stuff. Go ahead and put your lipstick on and give yourself time to clean yourself up when you get to the seller's house, instead of worrying the whole time that you're presenting offers if your lipstick is on your teeth. All right? That's what I want you to do. Good morning, Jennifer. All right, so I promised I was going to keep this video short and sweet. I'm going to keep that promise. I'm off to record more videos for YouTube today. We are talking all about how to convince a seller to do owner financing on YouTube this month. So if you've not subscribed to my YouTube channel, go to whitneynicely.com/TV and subscribe. I will put that right here in the comments. Can I make a comment while I'm on? Yes, I think so. Ooh-wee, watch me go. whitneynicely.com/TV. Okay, and send. Ooh, look how fancy I am. So, if you want more real estate investing tips, you need to subscribe to my YouTube channel. And if you're super interested in wanting to know how you can convince a seller to do owner financing with you, you definitely need to subscribe to our YouTube channel this month, because that's what our special topic is for the month. Jennifer says she loves owner financing. I know you do, because you are rocking those owner financing deals, and I'm so proud of you. Yay! So, go to whitneynicely.com/TV, and if you like this real estate investing tip, go ahead and leave me a comment down below. Say, I am a successful real estate investor. All right? Hey, Lisa! So if you like this video and you are a successful real estate investor, or you are planning to be a successful real estate investor, drop me a comment right there in the comment section. You can pull up the little, looks like a little thought bubble, like if we were cartoon people, and type in, I am a successful real estate investor now. All right. And that will start to rewire your subconscious to realize that you are a successful real estate investor now. Not gonna be a real estate investor, super successful real estate investor in the future sometime, but right now we gotta start talking to those little scared 13-year-old girls that are riding around in our brains and stopping us from doing some stuff. We gotta convince her that we are successful real estate investors right now. That way we can wake up one day and be a successful real estate investor. Yes, drop that in the comments. Say, I am a successful real estate investor now. I am a successful real estate investor now. Drop it down in the comments. Jennifer says that she is a successful real estate investor now. Yay! Let's see it, girls. Type it down below. Say, I am a successful real estate investor now. Or give me a hashtag lipstick if you like this tip. Don't forget, ladies, when you're on your way to those appointments, when you're on your way to talk to those sellers, when you're on your way to that super duper very important meeting, put your lipstick on before you leave your house or your office or your kid's school or whatever. Give yourself that drive time for your lipstick to rub off on your teeth, and that way you can clean yourself up when you get to the seller's house. If you wait to get to the seller's house before you put your lipstick on, you're gonna be kind of worried about it the entire time that you're in there making these offers and trying to get owner financing deals. You won't be fully engaged in the conversation because you're gonna be worried about, oh crap, is my lipstick on my teeth? I don't want that to happen to you. I want you to be a successful real estate investor. I want you to put your lipstick on before you leave. All right? Give yourself that time to make sure your situation is taken care of. All right, girls, I'm out of here. You are a successful real estate investor. Let's see. Lisa says that she is a successful real estate investor now. Amber says that she is a successful real estate investor now. Jennifer says she's a successful real estate investor now. So y'all go ahead and drop that in the comments. Jeanette says lipstick life. Hashtag lipstick. Yeah. That's what helps the deals get done, right? Woohoo! Andrea says hello. All right, y'all. Go out there, get your deals done. I'm about to set up here in the studio and record our YouTube videos. Don't forget to subscribe to the YouTube channel if you want to know how to convince these sellers to owner finance you their house. That's what we're talking about. That's what we're talking about all month on the She Buys It YouTube channel. So go subscribe, WhitneyNicely.com/TV, and go ahead and type it in the comments. I am a successful real estate investor. Start talking to that scared 13-year-old girl in the back of your head that's stopping you from doing these deals or stopping you from doing these big deals. You deserve that passive income, but you got to get started. You got to get going, and you got to roll with it. All right? You are a successful real estate investor. Now get out there and get your deals done. Type it down below. I am a successful real estate investor. Bye, girls. Get that lipstick on. Do those deals. Don't forget to subscribe to the YouTube channel. Abby Labby, you want to say hi? Abby? Are you watching something out the window? Bye, y'all.